With a travel planner, creating an itinerary is a breeze. Just enter your destination and your travel dates, and voila! The planner will come up with a tailor-made itinerary for you to explore. Every detail, including transport, accommodation, and sightseeing, is planned for you. Now you can travel stress-free knowing that you are armed with a solid plan. A travel planner helps with cost estimates as well. You can put in your budget, and the planner will suggest an optimized plan that ensures you get the best experience within your budget. It will provide cost estimates for accommodation, meals, transportation, and other activities, allowing you to make informed decisions and keep your expenses in check. Think you've seen everything there is to see at your destination? A comprehensive travel planner might prove you wrong. With its exhaustive database of attractions, including popular sites as well as hidden gems, it promises an in-depth exploration of the place. So unleash the explorer in you and discover something new every time you travel. With inbuilt maps and navigational assistance, your travel planner ensures you never lose your way. Whether it's a sprawling city or a secluded island, the planner will furnish you with the best and shortest route to your destination, thus saving you valuable time. Let your fear of getting lost not hold you back anymore. A travel planner that provides user-generated reviews is extremely helpful. By reading about other travelers' experiences, you can make informed decisions about which sites to visit, where to stay and eat, and what activities are worth your time and money. This feature not only enhances your travel experience, but also keeps you updated about the latest trends in travel.